My name is Bhimesh. I am from Raichur.
But how the candidates react to that situation, how they will present themselves.
Okay, Suraj sir, please introduce yourself to the panel.
So myself, Vasaraj Gali Madhukar. I am from Tumkur district. I completed my graduation from Central University of Tamil Nadu. I am Masters in Chemistry. And my mother's name is Srimati P. Anasuya Mugaru. She is a tailor.
Okay. You are from which place?
So Tumkur district.
Tumkur district. You studied in Tamil Nadu.
Yes, sir.
How many years you studied in Tamil Nadu, sir?
So 5 years.
5 years. Very nice. Can you just tell me which are all important rivers of Tamil Nadu?
So, one is Kaveri River.
Yes. Okay. Which part of Tamil Nadu you were studying?
So I studied in Tiruvarur district.
Tiruvallur.
Tiruvarur district.
Tiruvallur. Okay. Who is the present Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu?
So M.K. Stalin.
Which party?
So he is from ADMK.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You are not correct. It is not ADMK, it is DMK. He is son of Mr. Karnataka. ADMK was another party, figured by the then Madam Jayalalitha. This is out of her question. Now coming back to my subject. Agriculture, which are all the main crops of Tumakuru district?
So it's groundnut, wheat, groundnut and wheat and sugarcane.
You missed very heavily. Tumakuru is known as Kalpataru Nadu, no? Coconut. Entire district is known for coconut. Correct. Is Tiptur comes under Tumakuru? No.
Yes.
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 Right. What is your parents' name, you said?
Sir, she's a tailor.
Very good. What do you understand with the word RRB, Regional Rural Bank?
So regional rural banks is established to develop the rural infrastructure and the implement of the growth.
Okay. How would you help farmers? As an officer of RRB, how you will do the helpful deeds to farmers of your village?
So, like understand their needs. So we have to understand where they are depriving and where they are lacking, and possibly provide assistance from us, like financial assistance from our bank. Or from,
What types of assistance or loans you give?
so we can give agriculture loans,
Yes.
or micro unit loans like water plant or some dairy farmings,
Okay.
and we can also give some artisans loans. Some like tailor, mom is a tailor. We can give loans for her to establish a shop, and also some weavers will be there. We can also provide loans for them.
Under agriculture law, types of agriculture loans. ಯಾವ ಲೋನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಸಾಲ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ರೈತರಿಗೆ? ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಲೋನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
So crop loan, the loan which is given for the
Cultivation of
cultivation of crops and development.
How many RRBs are there in India?
So 43 RRBs are there.
Okay. In Karnataka?
In two RRBs.
You are in Tamil Nadu. Any idea how many RRBs are there in Tamil Nadu?
Only one RRBs.
Only one RRB. You are sure?
Yes, sir. Sure.
What do you mean by the finance ministry's effort to reorganize RRBs? Any idea?
Yes, sir. First of all, to reduce the operational cost,
Yes.
to increase the capital. These things, main things.
Who is the owner of RRBs?
So Government of India.
Then
Government of India and the respective state sponsor bank and the respective state.
state, which is the percentage of ratio
Sir,
of the shareholding?
So Government of India holds 50%, the sponsor bank holds 35%, and the respective state government holds 15%.
One. Are you ready to go to any places in Karnataka?
Yes, sir. I am ready to.
Do you know driving?
Yes, sir. I know driving.
Because a bank officer needs to go around to the villages.
Yes, sir. Yes.
You have a driving license?
Yes, sir. I have.
Okay. Yes.
Suppose you are posted to a rural branch,
Yes, sir.
which is incurring loss for the last 5 years.
Yes, sir.
You are posted as a manager.
Yes.
How do you turn that branch into a profitable branch?
So first of
What
all,
main action points, 1, 2, 3 that you can mention?
analyzing the data where the loss has been incurred, and
Which data you require for that?
for that we need loans, application forms, and their repayment structures. You have to analyze it, and next thing is uh, bring awareness about these things among the people.
If you bring the awareness, the profit will increase.
So we can educate them. We can educate them to a certain extent. We have to see whether our bank is failed in
Which area the bank incurs loss?
while getting the repayment, either in the form of loan, like interest, or in the form of principal.
The loan is not paid in time.
Yes, in time. It's not paid.
Then
When it is not paid in time,
what are the sectors for which the RRB's advances in rural area?
I don't know.
What is priority sector advance?
Priority sector advance.
What are the sectors under priority sector for RRB?
So one is agriculture and its allied sectors, MSMEs, education, health, infrastructure, and
Health is included under priority sector.
yes, sir. Yes.
What is MSME?
So medium and small micro enterprises.
Medium?
Medium, small, and micro, small, and medium enterprises.
How it is defined?
How it is defined?
How do you define an enterprise as a micro enterprise?
So I have read it.
Based on the
Based on
investment in plant and machinery and
staff.
staff. There is no
Based on
turnover.
turnover.
Turnover. So what is